In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill in a document on PDF tutorial. We're going to use Adobe Acrobat Reader on a computer, which is free and a great choice for official forms that need clean, professional typing and a proper looking signature. The process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to complete a PDF confidently without printing anything. First, download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure you get the official free reader and keep it updated so all tools work properly. Once it's installed, open the app. Next, open your PDF file in Reader. You can go to File, then Open, and choose your document, or simply drag the PDF onto the Reader window. If your system defaults to another viewer, right-click the file and select Open With, then choose Adobe Acrobat Reader. With the PDF open, look to the right side panel and select Fill and Sign. If you don't see it there, open the Tools tab at the top and launch Fill and Sign from the list. This tool is designed for typing into forms and placing signatures neatly where they belong. Now click on the area where you want to type. If the PDF has interactive fields, they may highlight for you. If it's a flat PDF with no form fields, that's fine. Fill and Sign lets you place a text box anywhere. Type your information and use the small A icons to adjust the text size so it matches the form's look. You can drag the text box to fine-tune its position and use the arrow keys for pixel-level nudging. Zoom in for accuracy and keep your formatting consistent. Use the same style for dates, phone numbers, and addresses to keep everything tidy and readable. When it's time to add your signature, click Sign in the Fill and Sign toolbar, then choose Add Signature. You can type a signature, draw it with your mouse or trackpad, or insert an image of your signature if you have a clear scan. Pick the option that looks best and place it on the signature line. Resize it so it fits within the space without overlapping nearby text. If your form also calls for initials, you can add those from the same sign menu. Finally, save your filled document. Go to File, then Save As, choose a folder, and give the file a new name so you keep an untouched copy of the original. This makes it easy to revise later without starting over. After saving, quickly reopen the file to confirm your entries and signature look correct. That's it. With Adobe Acrobat Reader's Fill and Sign, you can complete PDFs neatly, place a professional signature, and save a polished copy in just a few minutes.